Alright, so today we're going to do a T confidence interval. And so we want to draw a random sample of 1,000 men from a population of 1 million men and weigh them. We found that the average man is 180 pounds and the standard deviation is 30 pounds. What is the confidence interval? So the key reason why we're using a T confidence interval is because it says that the standard deviation of the sample. The T distribution is more spread out than the Z variation because not only do we not know what the mean is, but we're also using this to estimate with standard deviation. So my population is all male, adult male, in DeKalb County, Georgia. The parameter mu equals average weight of our population. Alright. So second, we need to do the conditions. So the fact that SRS is stated, independence, well, we got 1,000 men times 10, which is 10,000, is less than a million. So independence is okay. And for normal, 1,000 is definitely bigger than 30. So the CLT means that we have something that is approximately normal. So we have completed step 2 as soon as we say that we are going to do a 95% T confidence interval. Step number 3 is to do the calculation. So we got 180 pounds plus or minus, we know 30 over the square root of 1,000. Now when I do this, I'm going to do inverse T of 0.025 with 999 degrees of freedom because we have 1,000 men that we surveyed, that we sampled, which actually gives me 1.962, which, if you remember, is very close to the normal distribution, and that's because the degrees of freedom is so high, the sample is so big that the T gets very close to the Z distribution. So I get the low end at 178.1 and the high end at 181.9. So there's not a whole lot of area in between these two. So there's not a very big margin of error. And then the fourth, I am 95% confident that the average male in DeKalb County, Georgia, is between 178.1 and 181.9 pounds. And that's an example of a T confidence interval. And we use T because we did not know the standard deviation, and we use the sample standard deviation.